Hello, my dear friends. Today we're talking about clutter and we're using the 80-20 rule. 80-20 rule, you hear it a lot in the world about different things, but in this case, we're talking about clutter. And the fact is, the 80-20 rule applies to clutter. People use about 20% of the things they own about 80% of the time. That means 80% of the things you use you might use 20% of the time. So go through that 80% and determine what you're not even using that much. Because in order to get 20% of the time on that 80% of your stuff, means that some of it you never use and some of it you use 40% of the time, etc. So look through it. That's where you're going to start. When you're going through your clutter, when you're decluttering, say, you know what? This falls in the 80-20 rule. This is the 80% I never use. I'm going to give this away. I'm going to throw this away. It's trash. Why am I keeping it? I think a lot of people think they need to give away everything. They think everything is wonderful. But if they looked at it with fresh eyes, they would say, I would never buy that in the store. I would never buy that used in the Goodwill. It's in terrible shape. So look again and think about it. It's time to declutter. Make it a great day.